Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable legends of charts in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I enable or disable legends of charts in this sheet. At first, you have to select these charts. Now I disable legends of charts. Select these charts, then go to chart design. Now click this add chart element. Now you can see here are legends option. Now click none. Now you can see I disable legends of charts. Now I enable legends of charts. Go to chart design, then click this add chart element, then legends, then top, right, left. You can choose this any type of this one. Now I choose left one. Now you can see I enable legends of charts. Now you guys see I enable or disable legends of charts in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for